this video, we're checking the entire update. Not sure what it is, but let's check it out. If I haven't been posting, I've been focusing on school and stuff. Let's go. Ooh, look at this. Wow. So let's see what's new here. So like nothing's new here except for the boomerang. And that's what it looks like. That's it. That's only a new thing. It looks like. It's great creative studios. What? What is this? What is this place? What? Where do we take over? Yo, is that never been opened before? Does that never been opened before? Exit. What is this place? Is this the office? No, this is the office. Office is back. Wait, what? What happened to this place? What is that place? What's that noise? That's. What is that noise? Honey, it's coming from up here. What? Did it make us do parkour now? No, that's covered? Okay. Yo, do you hear that? What's the noise? Oh my god. What is that thing? Got her. Ooh, it's new sealed? What's in here? What is this place? Oh, that scared me. Okay. What the heck happened here? Okay. Did they bring back the office? Because this kind of looks like the office. Yo. Yo. What's behind it? That thing. Right there. Okay, what's like somewhere? What's... Right here. Oh no. I'm gonna die there. Come on. Um, I didn't. I think I walked away for a second. Do you guys see that? That is so weird. Anything new in here? Nope. No.